All right, want to see if you guys can help me out. So I've gone through this whole setup like twice now of taking the wheel off, tightening things down after jacking up the suspension to see if I could tighten it down while it's under load versus whenever I tightened it down and everything was still just up in the air. So tighten the bottom, tighten the top. I've even gone through and tightened these down back to the spec of what they should be, but I'm still getting some clunking noises, so if you can give me some advice, I would appreciate it.